up on page.
Time travel.
And you're watching Blindfolded Makeover Challenge.
Ow! On a page.
Actually, I'm very cursed, but I'm so vulnerable. You could rape me right now. Don't tangle my hair.
I'm trying not to. Your hair's
You know
stuck
what?
in my
Bullshit.
finger.
I did it. Damn long. I thought it was a different song. Whoops.
I was gonna say you could hit skip, but you can't
Too
find
damn
it.
young to know what love is. Ow! Okay, I'm ready.
Ready? Okay. Here, open your hand. Don't move it.
Oh god, Tabitha, what is that?
What's that?
Okay, you take off your glasses, right?
Yeah, I have them off already.
Can I close your eyes? But I don't know. Look at your face. Your face feels weird.
Thanks. Oh, it's my eyeball.
You're getting most strides of it. New underwear. Stop. Stop moving. In bed.
That's my hair!
Oh,
That was my arm. You got it all over my lips.
I know.
I don't even think you rubbed it in all the way, but we'll find out when
Is
you're
it my
done.
turn?
No!
Oh.
Don't touch it. Use the brush.
We're not supposed to touch. What is this?
It's foundation.
You just put moisturizer on.
Where's your face?
Stop.
That was my hair!
Oh my god, you're crazy.
You're killing me.
I'm gonna sing to you and do your makeup. Creepily blindfolded on.
Blindfolded on? That is definitely my hair.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay, am I done?
Yeah, what's that? Oh god, this should be interesting. Mascara. I was gonna say I gotta twist it. Do you want me to close my eye? Close my eyes.
Can you guys hear the song?
Probably not.
It's stuck. Sorry, just kidding.
Okay, do you want me to close my eyes?
No. Yes. No.
Yes.
Okay. I'm trying, Tabby. I'm so glad you trusted me to climb up on this destiny. Okay, I can't see anything.
That's the thing.
Not too bad. It's going good, you got your hands up. Is that your eye? Oh,
Yeah.
God, look at Gecko.
It's good. You're putting it anywhere in my eye, I don't think.
No, I think it looks pretty. Okay, next. How dumb. I'm sorry for my horrible singing. I acknowledge it.
Nice brush. And pick a color. Just put the brush anywhere.
Is that one good?
Yeah. Dang, you got enough?
I don't know. Why is your eye? Oh, that's not your eye!
What are you doing? You got enough yet? That was my hair. But I don't.
Does she look pretty?
Just like, oh.
God, I sound like a guy like that. Does she look pretty? I can totally drop my voice.
Are you giving me the winged look?
No.
That's my ear.
Okay, next.
I don't want this one. But you're gonna stab me in the eyeball. No! You're not
No,
done.
my nose can't breathe.
Oh, your nose can't breathe. Okay, you're only gonna do the top, okay?
What's
It's eyeliner.
Oh.
Oh. Oh my god!
Doesn't it?
No!
Yeah. Okay, am I done?
Here. Lip gloss, chat, whatever you want to call that. Until if you can find my lips this time, not my face.
I'm trying, baby. I'm not even getting into it. Yeah, is that good?
Thanks. Take the blindfold off.
You look fabulous.
Okay, hi guys. Right. Bye. Leave a comment.
No, you have to comment. Look at this look. Turn your head to me. I think that looks really pretty, like a cat. I'm turning it the other way. Oh my god, look at that side. That side is brilliant. You look horrible. I just punched her.
Bye.